Whatever happened to Baby Jane? It is the one and only film to star both Warner Brothers divas, Bette and Joan. So without any further ado, we would like to welcome to the stage Baby Jane Hudson performing A Letter to Daddy. And I believe that Blanche Hudson is lurking somewhere backstage, prepared with a song of her own. Without any further ado, please scream as loud as you can for your leading ladies of Warner Brothers!
Oh no, you're doing...
I've written a letter to Daddy. His address is heaven above. I've written, dear Daddy, we miss you and wish you were with us to love. Instead of a stamp, I put kisses. The postman says that's best to do. I've written a letter to Daddy saying I love you.
Please stop this singing. Oh, God, Mrs. Blanche Hudson, Hollywood actress. Please, I hate this song. I've heard it since we were 6 years old. Nobody cares what you want, Blanche. They're here for my grand return to the stage. Oh, but please, Jane, I'm hungry. I've been locked in the room all night. I'm hungry, please. Well, Blanche, would you like some din-din? I love some, thank you. I picked you something special. It's my bird! Oh! Eat it, Blanche. Get out of here. You're ruining my act and my life. Wretched old hag.
I've written a letter to Daddy saying I love you.
I hate you all so much. Your love and adoration is everything. Wow.
Nothing ever happens, nothing that I long for, nothing ever happens to me. Nothing that's inviting, nothing that's exciting, a change will have to be. Something's gotta happen soon. I'm like a lot of words without a tune. Days are dull and boring. I read the whole night through. I can't go on ignoring. Life was meant for two. Something's gotta happen. With me, it's only morning, night or noon. I'd like to learn my fate, but it's so hard to wait. Something's gotta happen.
Get off my stage, Blanche! She thinks she's a star, but there's only one star of Warner Brothers. Wonderful.
Let's hear it for your leading ladies of Warner Brothers. Let's hear it. That's right, Bette and Joan will be back in just a